back to the channel. As you can see right here, I'm gonna make this video quick, man, but this is a 2007 Chrysler PT Cruiser. Okay, you see this glass right here, man? They having problems with this glass. All right, on certain models, man, this quarter glass attaching fasteners may pull through their mounts and allow the glass to separate from the vehicle. This is what we are supposed to put on. This is a recall, people. We have to replace both your rear quarter glasses, okay, the complete glass assembly. Now this one, I ordered this last week, and it finally got here. So what I have to do is remove all the rear panel. This side, we're gonna do both sides, the left side and the right side. We do not want that glass to separate, especially while driving, because it could strike another driver or even injure somebody, and Chrysler do not want that. So the after effect is they see, here's the box. It just got here. So what I'm about to do is pull this whole both sides of the rear panel apart and replace the quarter glass. Now again, this is 2007 model. It applies to several year models. I think the early built 07 and the earlier built 08 and the late built 06. You have to call your dealer to find out, but let me get started on removing this, man. Like I say, man, this is a safety issue. So Chrysler do not want your quarter glass falling out while you're driving, people. I have to remove the seat belt, this whole rear panel, everything in order to replace these two quarter glasses right there. All right, I want to keep this video short, mainly because I got to get to work. So ain't no sense in me showing y'all how to do this because this is a recall. All right, so thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.